theta is the angle between the pair of lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0, then cos theta is equals to a plus b divided by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. Okay, this is the question here. What is given in this question, ma? So first, given pair of lines equation is given. Pair of lines. Okay, what is given here? Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0. This one I am taking as equation 1. It is a pair of lines equation. What is pair of lines? It is very simple. If we multiply the two straight lines, okay, the product of two straight lines only pair of lines equation. Okay, here I am taking, let the two straight lines, I am taking the L1 as, okay, first line as L1x plus M1y is equals to 0. I am taking one more line, that is L2x plus M2y is equals to 0. Equation 2, equation number 3. Okay, if you multiply 2 and 3, we get the equation 1. The product of equation 2 and 3 is equation 1. Okay, according to the pair of straight lines concept. Okay, so now I am taking the equation 1 here. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to equation 1 into equation 2. What is equation 1 here? L1x plus M1y, and equation 2 is L2x plus M2y. L2x plus M2y. Okay, so now multiply the right side part. If you multiply by the right side part, L1 into L2, L1 into L2, x into x is x square. Okay, so next, so if you I'm multiplying these two and these two, then these two and these two, like that I am multiplying now. Okay, so here L1 L2 x square and L1 M2, L1 into M2 xy plus M1 into L2 or L2 M1 x into y xy plus M1 into M2 M1 M2 y into y y square, y into y y square. Here these two are xy terms only, two are xy terms only, that's why, okay, take xy common. So here it is L1 L2 into x square, taking xy common, so L1 into M2 and L2 into M1. Okay, so into xy is common plus M1 M2, M1 M2 into y square, M1 M2 into y square. Okay, so now this one we are comparing with the left side part, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. Okay, by comparing, now I am comparing, okay, the coefficients by comparing. So what is x square coefficient, what is y square coefficient and xy coefficient? Okay, we have to compare and write. Okay, so now what is x square coefficient? A. X square coefficient A is equals to L1 into L2, L1 into L2, and 2h is the xy coefficient, that is L1 M2 plus L2 M1, L2 M1, and B is the y square coefficient, that is M1 into M2, M1 into M2. These are the coefficients here. Now, what is the formula for finding the angle between the straight lines? What is the formula for finding the angle between the straight lines? Two straight lines. We have the formula. Just we apply the formula here. Okay, angle between the straight lines. Cos theta is equals to. Okay, so if theta is the angle between the lines, if theta is the angle between L1 and L2. Okay, so then, okay, usually we have the formula. What is the formula? Normal formula, cos theta is equals to A1 A2 plus B1 B2 whole divided by under root of A1 square plus B1 square. Okay, and into under root of A2 square plus B2 square. Okay, this is the formula. If we apply the same formula now, okay, so cos theta is equals to a1 a2 means l1 l2 here, x coefficients. Okay, b1 b2 means y coefficients m1 into m2 whole divided by under root of, okay, a1 square plus b1 square, that is x1 x coefficient square y coefficient square into under root of, okay, so x coefficient square y coefficient square for second equation. Okay, now already we have the values. Okay, so l1 l2 m1 m2 values we have. Okay, so we can substitute now, or just write one more step, m1 into m2 whole divided by, I am taking the common root for both the, okay, so both the terms. So now here we get l1 square plus m1 square into l2 square plus m2 square. Now multiply the terms. Multiply the terms. Okay, if you multiply these terms here, okay, so here L1, L2 is nothing but A value. L1, L2 means A value, M1, M2 means B values. I am substituting this A and B values in the numerator. Substituting in the numerator. Okay, so that is nothing but A and B whole divided by under root of. Okay, so how I am multiplying? So here we multiply again same L1 square into L2 square, L1 square into M2 square, M1 square into L2 square, M1 square into M2 square. Okay, so we multiply like that. If you multiply like that, so what we get here? Okay, so we get here L1 square into L2 square plus L1 square M2 square, L1 square into M2 square plus L2 square into M1 square and M1 square into M2 square, M1 square into M2 square. Okay, so once what we want, once check that also, what we want actually. Okay, if we check that, numerator is a plus b only. Already we got the answer. Okay, so whatever we want, we got the numerator. Numerator is okay. But check the denominator also. A minus b whole square and 4h square. A minus b whole square means a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here a square means this term square, b square means this term square, minus 2ab means minus 2 into this term and that term. Okay, so once we'll check that. Once we'll check here the, okay, so denominator, this is equals to a plus b writing as it is, a plus b writing as it is, and whole divided by under root of L1 square L2 square, M1 square M2 square. The first term and the last term I am writing together. I am writing that, okay, L1 square L2 square plus M1 square M2 square, okay, writing together. Okay, and what about the remaining here? L1 square M2 square and L2 square M1 square, L2 square M1 square. Okay, I written, okay, so these terms as it is. Now I am subtracting here. Okay, just a minute here. This L1 L2 is A and M1 M2 is B. So we have A square and B square. We want 2AB term. Okay, we want minus 2AB term to get A minus B whole square, to get in the form of A minus B whole square. Okay, so now here that is nothing but 2 into L1 L2, 2 into L1 L2, that is A value, and B value is M1 into M2. Okay, I am subtracting and adding. So plus 2 into L1 L2 into M1 M2. Okay, in the denominator. All this full term inside the root only. Okay, so now this is equals to A plus B in the numerator and whole divided by under root of L1 L2 m1 m2. This is a value, this is b value, minus 2ab, like that we get. So a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b, like that we get. And this in this L1 square m1 m2 square, L2 square m1 square, L1 and m2, L2 and m1. Okay, so this is 2h value. Once check this 2h value, 2h is L1 m2 plus L2 m1. This is 2h value. Okay, that means L1 m2 plus L2 m1 whole square, that is. Okay, so that means 2h whole square, 2h whole square. Now this is equals to a plus b whole divided by a square plus b square minus 2ab is a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. 2h whole square is the value of 4h square. 2h value is 4h square. Is it the required solution? Yes, this is only required cos theta value. This is only the required cos theta value in required answer solution. Understood? Okay, if we go to the next question. Find the value of k if the lines joining the origin with the points of intersection of the curve 2x square minus 2xy plus 3y square plus 2x minus 5 minus 1 equals to 0, and the line x plus 2y is equals to k are mutually perpendicular. So what is given here? So just to check that. What is given here? So just to check that. So given, okay, so given curve equation is 2x square minus 2xy plus 3y square plus 2x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. Equation number 1. Okay, and the next line equation is given. One line equation is given, that is x plus 2y is equal to k. Okay, so now I am dividing by k on both sides. Okay, so I am dividing by k on both sides. Okay, if you divide by k on both sides, dividing by k on both the sides, then x plus 2y divided by k is equals to k by k. What is k by k value? 1. X plus 2y divided by k is equals to 1. Equation number 3. Okay, so now I am homogenizing equation 1 with the help of equation 3. Homogenizing. Okay, so homogenizing equation 1 with equation 3. Okay, what is homogenizing? Homogenizing is nothing but equating all the powers. Here x power 2 and x power 1, y power 1, total 2 and y power 2 and x power 1 only we have. Okay, so and here also y power only 1 and there is no x power and y power. So complete 0. We have to equate all the powers. So we have to equate all the powers. Okay, so now here the equation is 2x square minus 2xy, okay, and 3y square plus 2x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. This is the given equation, first equation. Okay, equation 1 I written as it is. How to homogenizing? Okay, so homogenizing means I am multiplying this 2x term into 1 and y term also multiplying by 1 and constant multiplying by 1 square. Constant I am multiplying by 1 square. Okay, so that is nothing but 2x square minus 2xy plus 3y square plus 2x into 1. What is 1 here? In place of 1, x plus 2y by k. X plus 2y by k. Okay, writing x plus 2y by k. Okay, minus y into 1. 1 is nothing but x plus 2y by k. Okay, minus 1 into 1 square. What is 1 here? x plus 2y by k. Okay, into 1 square means there is no change. Okay, so is equals to 0. Now simplify here. That is 2x square minus 2xy plus 3y square plus 2x in here. Denominator is k. Denominator is k. 2x into x is 2x square and 2x into 2y. 2 to the 4, x into y, xy, minus y into x, that is xy, minus y into 2y, minus 2y square, 2y square, minus of, here LCM. So here this square is applicable in the numerator and denominator. So if we write the numerator, we get a plus b whole square form. Denominator is k square. Numerator I am writing here x square and 2y whole square. That is 4y square. 2ab. 2 into a into b. 2 into x into 2y is equals to 0. Is equals to 0. Now take here. Take the LCM. If you take the LCM is k square. If you take the LCM, so we get k square here. Okay, so now multiply here. If you multiply k square into all these terms, okay, that is 2k square into x square minus 2k square xy plus 3k square y square. Okay, for these terms we have to multiply by k. Okay, already we have 1k in the denominator, so multiply by k. So that means 2kx square, 4xy minus xy, that is 3xy. 3xy into k, 3kxy, 3kxy, and minus 2y square into k, that is 2ky square, 2ky square. Here, what about this? Okay, so this minus is applicable for complete term. Okay, so that means minus k minus x square minus 4y square minus 2 to the 4xy, 4xy equal to 0, equal to 0. Now here x square I am taking common. If you take x square common, then 2k square, x square here, and one more x square we have here 2k, and one more x square we have here minus 1. For this completely into x square, and xy I am taking common now. If you take xy common, minus 2k square, minus 2k square here xy term, and one more xy term we have here, that is 3k, and one more xy term, yes, minus 4 into xy. Now take y square terms also like that. If you take y square terms, that is 3k square, 3k square y square, and y square term is minus 2k, and y square term is minus 4 into y square. Okay, divide by k square I am taking to that side, 0 into k square, that is 0. 0 into k square is 0. Now it is in the form of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0. Okay, so if we compare or otherwise, so what is given in the question? What is given? Okay, so given that they are mutually perpendicular, given that they are mutually perpendicular. If they are mutually perpendicular, coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equals to 0. Given that, okay, so I am taking this as equation number 3 already done. Okay, so taking this as 4. Till here, every problem solution method is same. Okay, for any question in this model. Okay, so now given that they are perpendicular, given that they are perpendicular, given that they are perpendicular, if they are perpendicular, what is the formula here? Coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equals to 0. Coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equals to 0. What is x square coefficient, ma? That is 2k square plus 2k minus 1. 2k square plus 2k and minus 1 plus coefficient of y square. What is coefficient of y square? 3k square minus
3k
2k
square
minus
minus
4.
2k minus 4.
Yes. 3k square minus 2k minus 4 is equal to 0. 2k square and 3k square, that is 5k square. 5k square. And 2k cancel, minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5 equal to 0. That means 5k square is equals to 5. Okay. And k square is equals to 5 by 5. Okay. That means k square value is 1. K square value is 1. What is the value of k? That is root 1.
Plus or minus 1.
Okay, so we can take plus or minus 1. Therefore, the value of k is plus or minus 1 is the required solution. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, so just